So let me show you nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory. It's right here. You're saying, what is it? This is fresh frozen ginger. I cut it up from the ginger. This can be classified as an herb because it's from the root versus the dried ginger that people will classify it as a spice. Different sources will say one versus the other, but I'm here to talk about fresh ginger because the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties in ginger has so many healing medicinal things it does for our body. I want to share it with you because this can make a tremendous difference in keeping you healthy. And ginger's anti-inflammatory properties contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol, shogaols, as paradols, which have been shown to inhibit the pro-inflammatory pathways in the body. And these compounds suppress the production of inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, reducing the inflammation at the cellular level. And all diseases in our body, regardless of what it is, all carries one common denominator. It's called inflammation. If it's colitis, gastritis, if it's autoimmune disease, if it's dermatitis, whatever itis it is, it's inflammation. And ginger can stop and help heal that inflammation. And when it comes to digestion, nothing's like ginger as it stimulates the production of saliva and gastric juices, which enhances digestion by breaking down food more effectively. It also relaxes the gastrointestinal muscles, promoting smooth movement of food through the digestive tract. And if you have cramping, bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, get some ginger in your diet. It will do remarkable things and help reversing those conditions so you can feel better much quicker. And when it comes to nausea, ginger is definitely number one, as it influences the nervous system and digestive processes. Ginger acts on the gastrointestinal tract and the brain's vomiting center, helping to reduce nausea and prevent vomiting. And if it's pregnant-induced nausea, motion sickness, something maybe that didn't agree with you, ginger will help accelerate that gastric emptying so you can feel better much quicker. And ginger is rich in antioxidants like gingerol and gingerol that helps fight free radicals, that helps premature aging, that helps prevent our cells from being oxidized. Our cells are always under attack by those free radicals, and ginger will help protect those cells. And ginger's immune boosting effects are linked to antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol, one of the main bioactive compounds in ginger, is shown to inhibit the growth of various pathogens, including bacteria and viruses. And by enhancing the immune responses and reducing inflammation, ginger will help strengthen the body's defense mechanisms against infections and promote overall immune health. And there are millions and millions of people out there from poor diet, being overweight, who are insulin resistant. And yes, your glucose levels and your A1C may be normal, but you're insulin resistant and you have problems going on, making you potentially pre-diabetic or even diabetic. But ginger helps make you more insulin sensitive. The bioactive compounds in ginger enhances insulin signaling pathways, leading to better uptake of glucose by the cells and improving your blood sugar control. And by regulating your blood sugar levels, ginger will definitely help reduce the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. And when it comes to your circulation, your cardiovascular system, your heart and your arteries, ginger will definitely help you significantly. It will lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve your circulation, as well as inhibit cholesterol absorption in the intestines and decrease the production of triglycerides in the liver, leading to improved lipid profiles. And additionally, ginger's vasodilatory effects will help relax the blood vessels and enhance blood flow, which supports heart health and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. And all of us will have pain from one time to another, some acute and some very, very chronic. But don't ignore ginger, because those natural anti-inflammatory effects will help you get out of pain. Ginger will help block the production of those inflammatory mediators like prostaglandins. Ginger will help alleviate pain with muscle problems, arthritis problems, joint problems, organ problems, cramps. The bottom line is, when there's inflammation, there's gonna be dysfunction. And many studies show that ginger can reduce inflammation in the body as compared to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, like your naproxen, your ibuprofen, your aspirin. This is safe. This is not going to cause any side effects to the liver or as well to the kidney. And ginger will help your brain health. Its neuroprotective effects are due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The gingerol and other bioactive compounds can cross the blood-brain barrier and exert protective effects on brain cells. And this helps reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and neuronal damage, as ginger will help preserve cognitive function, enhancing memory, and protect against neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. And there's been many elixirs that I've shared how ginger can help you lose weight. It does have a thermogenic effect. And this is the process of generating heat in the body by burning calories. By boosting your metabolic rate and promoting fat oxidation, ginger will help support those weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Ginger will definitely give you much more satiety. It will prevent you from overeating. It will take away those craves from your brain, trying to get those sweets, which are more calories. So yes, this will definitely be a big asset in weight management, particularly in using it in elixirs, using it in your diet. The reason why I love cutting up fresh ginger, again, I love using this in my smoothies. That way I know I get these antioxidants, these anti-inflammatories. So don't forget your ginger. And one more thing, when it comes to your respiratory system, this can work as a natural bronchodilator, helping to open up those airways so you can breathe easier. And when you're sick, if it's the cold, the virus, the bacteria, the flu, doesn't matter. This has powerful antimicrobial properties, antiviral, antibacterial, and this will help reduce phlegm and mucus to help you breathe better, get out of your sinuses. It will just open you up. And what I like to do once in a while, I'll take a little fresh ginger, take a bite of it, chew it, leave it in my mouth, and let it get to work. But use it in your smoothies, start using it in your food, supplement ginger. I promise you, your body will love you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and family. And most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.